What's up, everybody? Today we are going to What's up, everybody? Today I'm back and I'm extremely extramundous excited. I just made an incredibly large purchase. Actually, the biggest purchase of my life. Pause. Okay. I would like to refer to it as a big boy purchase. Today is a big boy video. I bought a pair of Yeezys, and ever since I was 14, I just spit, that's gross. Whenever the Yeezys came out, I don't know what year, 2013, 14? I don't know. Anyways, I'd like to do a little unboxing for the Yeezys. Ever since they first dropped, I've wanted a pair, and I finally have one right in this box. And I'm so excited. I wanted to capture this moment and share it with you all, so without further ado, let's get to the unboxing. Woo! Oh! I can't. But I can. I guess I must. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a little peek. But first, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, comment, tell me what you think about the shoes when you see them, of course. Give me support, because honestly, my goal is to buy more pair of Yeezys. And what better way to buy myself Yeezys than with your support and YouTube's money? Alright, let's get to it, man. I'm so excited. Woo! It's a very secure box. Can't even... Oh, never mind. Okay. Alright. We have here Yeezy Boost 350, size 10. That's my size in case any of y'all want to buy me some shoes ever. Here we got by Stadium Goods. Shout out Stadium Goods again. Shout out Adidas. One thing about me, I prefer stripes over checks. That's me, you know. Adidas, always Adidas, man, to be honest. Even, can you see it? Can you see my pants here? They're Adidas. Well, they're missing a few letters, but... Woo! Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. All right. Ooh, hold on. Let's get a closer peek of that right there. Let's get a little 360 going on. Oh gosh, that's a pretty shoe. Wow. Now, no shoe's complete without smelling it. You gotta smell the shoe. I could use this shoe as a mask. Like, I could breathe through this shoe. That's how good it smells. Like, I'm about to start wearing this shoe on my face. My gosh. All right. Anyways, wow. This is a great moment for me. Like, I really can't believe. I just can't believe this. I'd just like to thank me. So thank you. I'm gonna pat myself on the back. All right. Gotta hold the kid too. There's a little pat right there. Wow. So without further ado, I'm gonna do a little on feet for you guys. Let me know what you think about them though, for sure. Like, would you cop them yourself? Let me know, for real. Without further ado, let's try them on. Let me just put these beautiful things on. I'm gonna start with the left foot. Oh my gosh. Ooh, that feels good. Hold on. Now put the other one on the right. Ooh, man. Wow, hold up. Let's see, let's do a little... Yikes, man, that is... Alright, now I'm gonna stand up. Oh, man. These feel like, wow.
I don't really know what audio to put on this on feet, but I got some bars for y'all, don't worry. Yeah. Hey, walking in them Yeezys, I sliding in them Yeezys. They think that it's easy, but it ain't really easy. Don't call it lemon squeezy, I need some lemonade. Yeah, you know me, I stay getting paid. Hey!
Subscribe to my channel, please. Subscribe. Comment what you thought about the shoes. Today's inspirational words are, if you got it, you got it. I'm gone.